So what is the experiment? So the experiment today is that we have a piece of copper piping that is soldered with a cap on one end with an apparatus on the other side to connect to a male and a female with a copper cap on the other side of the existing structure. We're going to fill the sink full of water, submerge both of these pieces of pipe, connect them together so there is absolutely no air in the system, which would simulate a pressurized system in a home connecting to bathrooms or exterior walls, showers or other things. And then we're going to take this apparatus, we're going to put it in the freezer. And once it gets below freezing, we will show you what happens when it freezes and how you get the fish mouth inside the copper pipe or on the exterior of the copper pipe. These submerged and no air, I'm going to connect them. And now what we're going to do is place it into a freezer. We're here at the CED office in Shelton, and we've put a temperature gauge inside our freezer. And the temperature gauge inside the freezer at this time is reading 18 degrees Fahrenheit, which would be a cold night in the winter where a pipe's been exposed or is not insulated properly. So we're going to take our apparatus and we are going to set it in the freezer. We're also going to get a tray of ice cubes additionally to show just how short a time it takes to have a pipe burst when it's got an issue where it's not properly installed or insulated. It is now 12:05 and approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes since we put the apparatus into the freezer at 14 degrees Fahrenheit. And if we open the door and we look at the thermostat, it still says 14 degrees. And if we pull out our apparatus, you will see a split in the copper pipe where the water has frozen. Pressurize the pipe. And that is the amount that you would see coming out of a pipe of a typical failure of a pressurized system with water.